This is Inputs and Outputs Lab using Python coding for MEC 330, and we're first going to start out with the circuit. So you got your board, which outputs power, outputs 3.5 volts to the button, and then it sends a signal back into the board, which then turns D3 off and sends power into the LED, and it is also connected to the motor controller, which is has an extra power of 5 volts to power the motor, because without that it didn't have enough juice to actually power the motor. So as you can see, if I press the button, the LED turns on and then the motor starts spinning. So that is the hardware part of it, and then now we're going to look at the software part. Lower this down, and hopefully that's not too small, but basically, so it's not responding, so it might be a little light, but brought in the libraries, and then this assigns the digital pin. The first two assigns the digital pin for the LED to an output, which is also connected to the motor, and then the button, the next two lines, is an input. And then while true, so if the button's pressed, then the LED turns on, the LED in the motor, and then it prints on, which you can see down here with the ons, or else it's a false statement, and then the LED turns off, and then everything turns off. And that is my lab.